Hey, it's Trevor here. So I made $1,465.52 while trimming my bush. I thought I'd put this video together because I just wanted to convey to you what this business can do and how it can work for you. So yesterday we were out in the garden all day. We were trimming more than a bush. It was the hedges along the side of the garden, up on ladders with big kind of trimmers along the top. It was a lot of hard work, but it was actually very rewarding. It was a lot of fun, and we finished sitting around the fire, having some drinks, and it was nice. But the thing is, I made $1,465 while I was doing that, and I don't tell you that to show off. It's not $10,000, it's not $1 million, but it's certainly enough to make on a Sunday for doing nothing, if you know what I mean. So it's almost like I was getting paid to trim the bushes, or whatever, whatever you want, however you want to look at it. And how is that possible? Well, this all started with one piece of PLR, and I've done a little bit of a search, just going back in history, because obviously things change over time. But this here is one of I think this is the original sales video that Fergal made for Easy Traffic Magnet. It says here, "Hi, Fergal Downs here, and together with my business partners Trevor Carr and Alex Wong, I would like to welcome you to our brand new free traffic course, Easy Traffic Magnet." And I put that together. That was a piece of PLR that I found called Rapid Hashtag Profits, I think it was called. It cost me $5, and I was going to launch that. I didn't know. I thought that you could just go ahead and launch straight out the gate, Anyway, I looked at it and I thought, that's really not gonna do the business. So I actually took the whole contents of that package and I went through it and I was like, right, what's in here? What's it teaching? Does it still work? Is there any way I can improve on it? Are there extra things I could add to it? And I did all of those things. I improved on it, expanded on it, and I created Easy Traffic Magnet. Also created a really nice members area, and I found another video by Jason Fulton, and you can see a picture of the members area there. And we released that, and that initial $5 piece of PLR made over $8,000 from one piece of PLR. So then I created a course called Pimper, and in that course I taught people how I did that with Easy Traffic Magnet, how I took that $5 piece of PLR and turned it into an $8,000 launch. So the Pimper launch that taught people how to do it, that did over $35,000 and still sells to this day. And since then, I've gone on to do over $2 million, and I launch regularly, and it enables me to go and trim my bush and make nearly $1,500 on a Sunday without even being in the office, which I think is amazing. I'm blessed, but I must admit I've worked hard for it, and I still work hard now because I'm very ambitious and always have been. But I'm also very keen to help as many people as possible. So the latest release that we've just gone live with is that's 23,000 PLR assets in the giant PLR kit for $12.95. So just think about that. Everything started for me with one piece of PLR that I paid a $5 for, and you've now got a chance to get 23,000 pieces of PLR for just $12.95, which works out to 0.0005 cents, or a 20th of a cent per piece of PLR. Well, that's good in its own right, but what I then decided to do was record some fresh, brand new training. And this training shows you how to take a simple piece of text and turn that into something really, really nice looking. I use some AI, free AI, and I use some just brain material to do that. But I teach you exactly how to do that so that you know what to do. Now, I'm also giving you Pimper, the product that I created that taught people how to do that with that one piece of PLR. I'm giving you that as well as a bonus when you pick up the giant PLR kit. And I've got a load of other bonuses as well. So in theory, although you're paying $12.95 for 23,000 pieces of PLR that you can do whatever you want with, rename, rebrand, re-edit, sell for whatever you want, what you're really getting is an empire of assets for almost nothing in the PLR, and my brand new training, and my original training, and a load of other bonuses as well. So let me show you that. So in the training, I show you how I take just this simple text. And in fact, what I did was I just used the table of contents. All right, I didn't even use the content that came in the piece of PLR that's in the giant PLR kit. One of the 23,000 pieces, just one of them. Right, I just took the table of contents and I showed you how to take that table of contents and turn it into this beautiful looking ebook using completely free tools. And all the content and everything was all generated just using those headlines, those chapter names as my kind of guideline, my structure, my creative template for this. And I'll show you how to do all of this, including how to make this graphic and how to put it in the doc, how to format everything. You know, I've even got a ghost writer name there, Benedict Miller. So you don't even have to put your own name to this stuff. And I'll show you how to make all of this in that training. Now, you can't get that training anywhere else. You can only get that at the moment through this as a bonus if you pick up Giant PLR Kit. It will be released as part of a paid training program, but you can get it for free right now, and you can get it sooner than anyone else right now if you pick up Giant PLR Kit through my link here today. And to sweeten the deal even further, I've got more bonuses included in this deal, and you'll see all this information on my page here. So you're going to get the VIP bonus training that I just talked to you about, and then you're also going to get List Prodigy. You're going to get 10 ways of generating free buyer traffic. You're going to get the SEO Masterclass, Pick Phrase Pro OTO 1 to 10x your results. You're going to get Rankful and Rankful Unlimited. You're going to get List Smasher 21 email hacks, and List Smasher traffic. And you're going to get PDF Dynamo 2 million articles, and PDF Dynamo Unlimited. So you can see there is a huge amount of value to be had here, but it's not just about the value here, all right? The reason for making this video today is, for a start, to say thank you to everybody that's played a part in my life to get me to where I am today. But, you know, this is also down to you. Like, people will help you in your life, but you just need to have faith in yourself, and you need to do things. 2 letters make this business work, and that's D and O. You need to do. I've seen in my journey, when I first started, I've seen so many people sit on so many webinars that are actually webinar pitches, convincing themselves that they're learning about this industry when really what they're doing is being pitched to all the time, and they're buying the products that don't work. Now, I've seen all of that, so I know what does work. I know what will get you results, and I know what will enable you to make nearly $1,500 while you trim your bush. And that's this stuff. That's literally taking something and turning it into something saleable, turning it into something with intrinsic value, turning it into something that you can give away as a bonus and explode your affiliate commissions, or you can sell. You can take this stuff and you can create a front-end product, an OTO 1, an OTO 2, an OTO 3, and you can launch that yourself on Warrior Plus. And how to do all of that is all included in the Pimper training as well, you get for free in this, you know. So this is to say to you, it's a great opportunity for you to pick up some amazing value, also to get some brand new training that's never before been seen, not released yet, not available for public consumption yet, and to get a load of assets that can really make you some money, all right? So this is like your first step on your journey to, if you want to follow in my footsteps, this is the way to go and do it, like, most cost effectively. Okay, so that's it from me for today. That's the end of my sermon. Hope you're well. Hope you're going to have a great week ahead of you. What I would say to you is, like, it's Monday today. It's Monday morning. It's a bit grey and damp here in the UK, but do you know what? I love Mondays. Why? Because I am my own boss. I don't have to go anywhere or do anything unless I want to. And I choose to do this stuff. I love doing this stuff, and I love helping people. If you want to love Mondays, then it's a really, really simple process, because you just need to get the ball rolling. You need to get that little bit of momentum. The first step is buy this, take my training, and then get started. Take one of them and just do what I've done, so that you can see that you can do this, because you can absolutely do it. It's literally like a copy and paste, ask a few questions, job. That's it. All right, really, really simple stuff. But you need faith in yourself. You can do this. I've seen so many people in this industry make insane amounts of money. You can do this. All right, so do it. If you haven't got the Giant PLR kit yet, go and grab it. Make sure you grab it through my link. Make sure you are cookied to me. That's essential. All right, I'll show you how to do that one more time. I've shown you before, but you might not have seen it, so let me show you now. Because if you don't get cookie to me, even though I'm the vendor on this, you won't get my special bonuses. These are my special affiliate bonuses, okay? So on my review page, you just want to come across to one of these buttons here, or there is an exit pop. You click on one of these buttons to go through to the sales page. On the sales page, you literally just come through to the buy button here, click on that. That's going to take you through to the Warrior Plus checkout cart page, which is this one. Now, there is a bump here that I would like to draw your attention to. This is a massive, massive value bump, right? The Intrinsic Masterclass. This shows you this bump. You just got to get this. I forgot to mention this before. This Intrinsic Masterclass shows you me taking a piece of PLR and the whole process of me pimping it, putting it on Warrior Plus, launching it, mailing it, and getting sales. And I give you it at the end. I give you the product to use yourself at the end, all right? And you're going to get that for just $17. It was a $497 high ticket product. You're going to get that for just $17 if you choose this special front end checkout bump. You will only see this once. You can only get it here when you're buying the front end, but I do recommend you do. Now, importantly, is you come down here and you hover over. Oh, in fact, I've got to just do this because it hasn't taken the cookies. This is why you need to check. Okay, now we've got it. So down the bottom here, you just hover over this, and it says 574439 Trevor Carr. That's what you're looking for on this one to make sure that you're cookie to me. If you are cookie to me, then you will get instant access to those bonuses in your Warrior Plus account. So when you make your purchase, you go through to Warrior Plus to access your purchases. You log into Warrior Plus. You go to your name, which will be top right hand corner. You drop down to purchase history. Click on that. It will take you through to a list of all the things you've bought on Warrior Plus. Go to Giant PLR Kit. Click on that. You'll get access to the Giant PLR Kit, and you'll see a blue button, which is the affiliate bonus button. Click on that. It'll take you straight through to my bonus access, where you'll get everything that I've told you about today, including that brand new training. So, and all the other bonuses. All right, it's a no-brainer. As always, if you've got any questions, please feel free to ask. In the meantime, I wish you all the best. I wish you the best week ahead. And if you haven't already picked this up, maybe make your coming week, months, and years better by picking it up now, taking my training, and getting stuck in. If you have already picked it up, but through someone else, for $12.95, I think you'll see that my bonuses alone are worth this. So you might want to consider that. Okay, that's it from me. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.